Here we are on the 2nd of March 2024, and it's now approaching 3 months since the fire here at Staddlestone's farm at Penton near Andover, where the Friends of King Alfred buses had 8 vehicles, 7 belonging to individual members and 1 the famous 1950 Leyland Olympic that's standing behind me here now. In that disastrous fire, 7 of the vehicles literally perished. They were burnt to nothing. But the Olympic wasn't quite so badly affected, so much so that we decided that there was enough remaining for it to be sensible to pull out the remains and to take them to our workshops at Winchester in order to carry out a proper assessment as to what the future might hold for this vehicle. And here we are. There have been many things in the way over the last few months, but in the last 2 weeks, much has happened on this site. And the buildings that used to stand behind where I'm standing now are all gone. They've been flattened. The contents have been removed. I'm afraid the 7 other buses that were in the site and a van in our unit, Unit 5 here at Staddlestone's farm, are gone. They have been scrapped. But the Olympic is here, standing beside us. And it looks awful, doesn't it? It looks really dreadful. But it is recognisably still a bus. And at the Friends of King Alfred buses, we are determined to see what can be done to assure the future of this vehicle. Ideally, we'd like to restore it. We'd like to bring it back to the condition it was on the 7th of December. That was how we restored it over the years from when we bought it in the early 1990s through to 2012 when it was completed. Absolutely like new. And it was our star vehicle. Such a unique, unusual bus. One of only a small number built. HR40 Leyland Olympics, about 20 of them, and King Alfred had 1. It was the first underfloor engine bus in Hampshire. They were very proud of it, and it ran in Winchester until 1966, and then it disappeared into Ireland. We rescued it, we brought it back to Winchester, and we rebuilt it. A lot of inventive work and all the rest of it. But it was completed, and our determination is to see if it's possible for us in due course to return this bus to how it should look rather than how it is looking. But today is about getting it away from here. So it's going to be put onto slave wheels, and that's the work that's going on behind me. Then it's going to be pulled onto a low loader and transported to Winchester. So by tonight, 2nd of March, it should be safely undercover in our premises and ready for the next stage, which is a thorough and really careful review of what we've got and what it might take to rebuild it. They will, and that's a good one. So we didn't come up with it, do we? We did. Quite a bit, yeah.